In this video, I'm going to show you how you can speed ramp in Final Cut Pro. And yes, yeah, it's 2 a.m. and I'm recording a tutorial. Why? Because why not? So, what you have to do basically in Final Cut to add a speed ramp, first you're gonna have to press on your keyboard Command plus R. Now you added some this bar here, and then here you're gonna have to select range selection, or R, press R. If we start using shortcuts, why not keep using them? So yeah, press R and now select, I would like to add the speed ramp to this portion, or actually no, this one here. And now here I'm just gonna click now on slow 50%. And now I add a speed ramp to this portion of this video. So this part slow even more, maybe slow 19%. And now this part is fast, it's playing the video as it should. Now we have some speed ramp here, or the video slows down to this portion of this video. So yeah, that's pretty much how you add speed ramp in Final Cut Pro. Now of course we can edit this and change this even more, but that's kind of the essence here. Slow 90. Look at this now. Here it's kind of, it is fast, and here it just slows down, which is not really the best. Here where I slow down is just for demonstration, but I would have choose a better what it's called in English, a better part of the image, you know, a better capture, better, you know, it's just like slowing down where it's just water. I would have slowed down here, maybe that portion, which I can of course just edit that part, but yeah, in essence that's where you have what you have to do. So now we can add another one here if you want to. Now for this part I can click on normal here, this will reset, and yeah, that's kind of fast now, and then slows down. Okay, that's not really slow, but can click here 50%, and now it's slower. As you can see, it's slower. Now what I could have done is just like zoom in to that portion. Now what if you want to add a custom speed ramp, which I mean like I add this, maybe I want to add this here, and then here in custom, I will expand here, and I'll click on actually on custom. Now I can add a custom here, and I can select 100, whatever I want, and maybe here now I can add to this custom, where is it? So can add to this custom increase to this number, and now it's much faster here. Now it's fast, this portion, but yeah, just decide where you want to add the speed ramp, because in my example here I wouldn't add the speed ramp here. It's just to show you that you can also speed up also, of course. You can also drag from here, of course, but it's just better to you know, just click on here and click on custom, or use this instead of dragging. But you do it the way you want, so you can also drag from here or click on right, expand this, and it exactly add the custom exact, or just click from here to slow or to fast. So yeah, so I hope you found this helpful. Let's play again this video. Yeah, pretty nice. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.